Hello everybody, I want to show you this video 10 cool things you can do with the Huawei P30. And let me tell you at the beginning that you can use also all these features if you have the Pro version. Okay, and the first feature is how to split the screen with a knuckle. So go in an app, maybe like the text messages here. Go on the screen with the knuckle like this and the screen is splitted. And it is, you need a bit training for, like me, I did it several times. And now I can use a second app maybe at the same time. I want to go to the internet at the same time. And here I can make the first one bigger and the second one bigger. Or if I hold this button here in the middle, then I could change these both ones. And if I want to stop that mode, I just slide down the other one and I'm here on the internet now. Okay, let's come to the next point. You can clone apps with the phone, especially messenger apps. So for that, you go on the settings, then we go on the point apps, and now we go on the point app twin. And you have the list of all the apps which one are supported for app twin. In my case, it is Facebook and the WhatsApp Messenger. Okay, enable it to have a second one. And as we see now on this page here, we have 2 Facebook accounts and 2 WhatsApp accounts. And the second one is always the one with the number 2 here with the blue thing. And it is especially very nice if you have maybe 2 SIM cards. Then you can have for each number is your own WhatsApp account. And if you want to stop that, you want to have just one, just hold the app, go and delete, confirm with OK, then you have just one Facebook account remaining. Or you can also go here to the app twin in the settings to go here to disable it and close it. And now I have just one remaining WhatsApp account and one Facebook account. If you delete the second one, don't worry, the first one is still the same. And you have the opportunity to use your one-handed mode because the phone is very big and so on. It's difficult to reach it with one thumb because I have large hands already, and for me it's also difficult. So you can make the screen a bit smaller. So for that you go from the corner here like this, and we have some instructions here at the beginning. And now we have the one-handed mode. I can reach now everything with my thumb and can work completely with, and so on. I can go to all the apps. It's a bit small, and if I want to off it, I just tap here on the blanket one and I have now the full screen again. If I wanted, if I'm left-handed, maybe I go from the other side like this, and now it is the same thing. And just touch the blanket area to exit. That's it. Okay, and of course you can take also screenshots with the phone. Maybe you have a nice website you want to capture or something like this. Use the power button and the volume down button for hold it for 1 second, and you will have a screenshot. And you can use also the knuckle. If you knuckle twice, then you have a screenshot as well. If you want to edit the picture, always just tap on a preview, and I have now the opportunity to share it or to edit it. Then we can crop also a part here. If we are done, just confirm, and it's now part of our screenshots. And Huawei loves the knuckle really, so use your knuckle also to make your own creation like this maybe. And you can also put it in another position, or if you don't like your creation, you can also make a rectangle, make a circle, or make a heart for your special ones. Okay, and go on save, and it's part now of our gallery. And here are our screenshots, and it has also its own category on the albums. Okay, and of course you can also make a video of your screen, and for that we need the power button and the volume up button. And if you press these both buttons for the same time, and for the first time you have to allow some stuff for the storage and the microphone, confirm it. You have some instructions at the beginning, start recording, and here we will see it has started now. Because we give permission to the microphone, we can have here the microphone. We have here the microphone, so it's recording us right now. If you don't want it that it's recording, just tap here. No, was the wrong one. Just tap here on the microphone, and now the microphone is off. It's on, off. And if you want to stop the complete recording, just tap here on the recording, and it's off. Otherwise, you could also stop it with the power button and the volume up button, and yeah, and as you can imagine, we can also knuckle us into this screencast. So we need 2 knuckles, and if we double tap the screen, so we are now here also in the screen recording, and if we want to stop it, we can double click again, and it has stopped. No? Or use the buttons or to off it here. Many ways, many ways. And we will find the screencast at the gallery, at the videos if you're on albums, or on the photos. We have here the one with the play symbol. Okay, in the next point I want to show you how you can save a bit energy, especially at a special time where you don't need your phone. That is normally at night, and you can set up a time when the phone has to turn off automatically. So go to the settings first of all, then we go to the point smart assistance, and now on scheduled power on and off. And if we turn off that thing, we can now set up a power on time, like maybe 7 in the morning, no? Or 8 in the morning, and we can set up also an off time here, like 31 o'clock or 11 p.m. o'clock, and yeah, let's confirm it. And in the next point, we can tell also the phone the repeating time, as it's just for one time, or always from Monday to Friday, or every day, or you can customize it also, no? If you work maybe on the weekend. Yeah, so you can turn off your phone on as scheduled time, and yeah, a very nice tool to save energy, because to be honest, if we are sleeping most of the time, we don't need our smartphone then. Okay, the next feature is also something for the night, because if you have problem to fall asleep after using your smartphone, the smartphone may have a feature which one may help you. So let me show you where you can find it. So on the settings, then on display, and then here we need that feature here, the Icomfort. And if we enable this feature now, you see the phone will turn into another color, and that makes your is much more comfortable for your eyes, and may you can sleep in better after, and that you don't have that screen the whole day. You can set up also a time, maybe if we schedule it here, maybe that it's starting at 10 p.m. in the evening, so 22, or and that it's the end time would be then at 7 in the morning, and so on. So it turns automatically into that feature. So let's try it, and maybe you can leave me a nice comment if you feel better after using that feature. Okay, the next feature is the magnification. Maybe if you have problems with your eyes and you need to have it a bit bigger sometimes to read something better, then let me show you something nice. At the settings, then at smart assistance, and then at accessibility, and then we need the point magnification. If we turn this one on, okay, and if you want to use it now, you just tap with your finger 3 times on the screen, and as you can see, it is much bigger now. And if you want to navigate on the screen, you can do it now with 2 fingers. No? You can have the whole screen, and especially if you want to see something more detailed, or if you have major problems with your eyes, you can have it now a bit bigger sometimes. And if you want to leave that mode, just tap 3 times on the screen again, and you are back in the regular mode. Okay, let me show you now a nice mode with the camera, because you have the opportunity also to record in slow-mo. If you go here on more, Then here on slow motion on the first point, you have now the opportunity to record something in slow motion. Let us record my moving hand here, and yeah, let us see the result here. You can see everything in slow motion. It's a nice effect. Maybe if you're creating videos or something like this, you will have a lot of fun with. And yeah, the last point, I have to prepare something. Let me come to the last point. If you scroll down like this in the middle of the phone, you have here a search bar, and with that search bar you can look in the whole phone for some keywords. And also next to the phone you will have a little eye. If you tap on it, you will come to a mode which one allows you to make translations. And if I have the phone maybe like this, it will auto detect the language on a book and will transfer it automatically in English or the language you have selected. It works with Google Translate, I think, so it is very good. And yeah, it's a very nice feature if you want to translate some stuff, and if you don't want to write first everything down. No, you can go directly on the written page or book or magazine, poster, and so on and so on. And I have a QR code reader as well here. And let me tell you, thank you so much for watching Phones and More. And yeah, I hope I could really show you something new with that video. And it would be a pleasure. And maybe if you like it, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.